Yes.
Oh my god.
Mr. Pato. Look at that, you cantik.
Oh wow.
Oh my god.
Is that a whole fish?
We are so padding, even me when
I
I'm
know.
talking.
Oh my god. Hmm.
Halo teman-teman semua, balik lagi di BNay channel. Ya, aku tahu kita udah lama banget emang nggak ada posting video baru ya teman-teman. Jadi kalau teman-teman yang udah ngikutin BNay dari 3 tahun yang lalu pasti udah tahu kalau BNay itu musiman banget nge-vlog ya. Sorry banget ya. Tapi thank you banget loh teman-teman pada khawatir gitu kan. Tapi sebenarnya teman-teman, aku itu nge-vlognya agak jarang memang karena aku juga kerja full time. Doakan ya untuk tahun ini bisa lebih rutin dari tahun lalu. Buat teman-teman yang baru nonton video BNay pertama kalinya, jangan lupa ya untuk subscribe, di tombol subscribe-nya. Dan juga teman-teman yang pengen update aktivitasnya aku juga ada di Instagram di bawah ini. Dan untuk kali ini masak apa? Nah, aku masak ikan panggang teman-teman. Jadi kan teman-teman kalau yang udah kenal Erik atau Pato itu pescatarian yang emang dia lebih memilih untuk makan seafood. Nah, jadi itu aku bikinin khusus buat Pato ikan panggang. So, yang penasaran buat lihat reaksinya Pato pertama kali nyobain ikan bakarnya, ya udah teman-teman langsung dipantengin aja ya.
Halo konco-koncone Mbak Mawar sejagat Indonesia. Piye kabare rek? Kabare piye? Pasti kangen tompe aku. Ya iyalah Mbak Mawar gitu lah ya, suaranya merdu dan selalu terniang-niang di hati opo. Gak jelas Mbak Mawar itu. Ya pasti juga pada kangen kau ngintip di dapurku. Ya sama aku juga lo kangen ngintip sampai kamu loh. Mbak Mawar itu kalau udah malam ngomong aneh-aneh. Ya mas, teman-teman, jadi aku masak ini sebenarnya udah lama loh ibu ini tak masak kayak gitu, tapi ya wes. Jadi itu bikinin ikan bakar bumbu Bali. Wah, ini tuh enak tenan karena itu ada terasine, ada asam jawane, pokoknya enak. Nah bikinnya juga nggak ribet kan, karena bumbu halus tinggal di blender gitu, terus udah gitu dimarinating kalau kata orang Inggris, dimarinating. Nah ditaruh di kulkas diam yo sesuka hati yo, tapi kalau aku 30 menit minimal, jadi biar lebih meresap ke hati loh. Nah udah gitu kita sih karena ini yang nggak bisa manggang karena musim dingin, jadi taruhnya di teflon aja. Bodoh kok rasanya bodoh. Paling kasih tambah kayak yang seger-seger ya, kayak daun salad, pakai timun, pakai tomat ya, pokok apa ya lah yang kalian suka gitu kan. Udah tinggal disajikan. Nah semoga iki Mas Patonya suka yo. Ya wes, gitu aja untuk hari ini ya teman-teman, jaga kesehatan, matur nuwun. See you, bye-bye.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Mr. Pato. Look at that, you cantik.
Oh wow.
Oh my
Is
god.
that a whole fish?
Especially for Pato.
Oh yeah.
The whole big fish. This is for
Look
us.
what I got.
It's nothing to compare to our side.
Wait, is that smaller?
Yeah. Nice and fresh.
Look at this.
Seafood. Finally, seafood.
Wow.
Because Pato is pescatarian, so he loves seafood, so why not? Hi
Hi,
guys! Welcome back to BNay channel, of course with me and Pato and Pasti. So today's meal, because I know banyak banget teman-teman yang request buat masakin atau bikin menu seafood, dan akhirnya this is grilled fish.
my God,
so
it smells
pretty.
so good.
Yes.
I know.
We have this is tilapia, and then this one is a red snapper. The way I cook this, guys, this is a grilled fish in Balinese style.
Okay.
The marinating is Balinese style, and then how you eat it, you can put this one as well. Like you can put it on the
On top?
yeah,
Okay.
and then you can mix it with your rice. I have the other spicy one as well, but you can pick which one you like the most. This one gives you more like fresh flavor.
I'll do that.
Yes.
I'll go for
So
that.
we are so padding, even me when
I
I'm
know.
talking. Aku sampai mau berdiri ngomong doang nih teman-teman. So any question? Otherwise, go ahead.
And where is the meal from?
Bali, because
Bali,
it's a
okay.
Balinese style. Yeah. Since Pato gonna go to Bali, so it's good to serve one of like Balinese style of
Yes.
food
Yes, sure.
style, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's eat.
Enjoy.
Indonesian way with like a lot of spicy on my rice.
Okay.
And
I'm gonna try
yes,
this.
go ahead. Rice not so hot anymore, perfect. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness.
Oh, we're gonna eat with a hand.
I never know where to start, like especially with the fish. Like I have no idea where to start. Okay, let's see how you do.
From the leg.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You just need to be really careful with the bones.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's true.
I hope it's not too much bone inside of here. Is it?
No. They're big.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Hmm?
Mmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, so good. Oh my god.
OMG.
Oh, this is good.
Mm-hmm. When the silence is, it's just because everybody's like enjoying a lot.
That's right.
Correct though.
Correct.
Or asking themselves how to eat the fish with the hand. One of those.
Yeah. Guys, like Pasti is not used to eating seafood because
I mean, I rarely eat like the full fish. I think I had it a couple of times, but sometimes I find it too complicated with the bones. And as a kid, I actually swallowed one of those bones and it hurt so bad, and I couldn't sleep the whole
Trauma.
night. And from that moment, I was like, I'm through with like fish. But here we go again. It's really good.
I like it when it's spicy.
Mm.
I like the fish.
Mm.
Yeah?
Yes.
Can I try a little bit?
Of course.
This is different fish, so I'm just curious.
It's just perfect.
Oh, delicious.
Yeah.
Mmm,
Delicioso.
delicioso. This is the middle, it's basically meat, so you
Can I just take it out like this somehow?
so good.
So
Yep.
good. Mm.
Mmm, what you say? It's good, eh?
Oh yeah, it tastes different though.
This is, yeah, it's different fish. It's delicious. Mmm.
It's the seasoning. The seasoning makes the taste really good.
Mm-hmm. This one is like a red snapper.
Mm-hmm. So basically, you can do it with any kind of fish.
Yeah,
It's the seasoning, which is the
exactly.
make it like balliness.
Balliness, yeah,
Okay.
correct.
So good.
Finally.
I am very happy that I'm able to eat with my hands. Because when I was a kid, my mom is like, don't eat with hands. But right now, it's just, I'm enjoying. Mom,
I eat with
I'm enjoying this.
Sorry, auntie.
It just like, it gives you like all the,
It's like the full experience.
I know, yeah.
Yeah. The sense like you're feeling the food
Mhm.
with your hands,
Mhm.
right? Because you touch it. That's why like Indonesian when you eat with hands, it makes us more excited to it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh,
No,
wow.
just use your hands. It's easier.
Teman-teman, you can see Pato likes it. He finished half of his
Oh my God.
fish already.
How fast are you?
Yeah, I know.
It's because it's really good.
You can see Basi is very focused.
I'm super focused.
Like the last time we had also like the sweetwater fish when you weren't able to come. Basti and Akash both had the same childhood experience with the fish bone. And so when they eat, they were so careful.
Yeah,
And
it
like,
takes ages.
like literally, I helped him to finish his, and then Alex helped Akash to finish his because like they both like give up in the middle.
Yeah, that's why I don't do fish often. I don't cook fish often for me because I find it sometimes too complicated. I like to just eat something, let's say watch a movie or so. But like with fish, you have to be really focused on like not eating the fish bone.
Oh yeah. Well, also like in Germany, it's not very common to have like fish, right? Since it's in the
Maybe
middle.
like once a week or so you can have fish.
Yeah.
I didn't feel it.
Oops.
Careful, baby. I didn't feel it, but
I mean, Pato is getting a little sweaty as well. I can see.
I know.
You're still holding out fine, so.
I'm happy with this marinating. It's really good.
It is really
It's
good.
really good.
My goodness.
I didn't like it.
So look at that.
Sorry. Sorry guys, Pato doesn't like it.
So good.
He can't finish the.
Yeah, but didn't I say before, like, that is too much for me. I mean, a fish always looks big, right? I'm all,
Yeah.
like, if you subtract all the bones and the head and everything, then the fillets are not that big.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
You can eat one fish.
And you know what? Like the fish is like very light.
They are right. Yeah, that is true. Even you feel full after eating it, but then 15 minutes after, you're just like, okay, I'm good.
You don't feel that heavy.
Yeah.
Sorry guys. It was really good.
I was just eating, your fish was full, and then I look at you, like 1/4 was already gone. I was like, it was not
What?
even 2 minutes.
I know.
Yeah.
What is that?
He's like, where is it?
Yeah. And then like we talk again, and I look at him again. Oh, half is already gone. Damn, I'm so proud of you.
Yeah,
Look
like,
at you,
slow and steady.
guys. First time I see bro doing this. Wow. You left with the purpose. Pato!
Oh, wow. I feel like my plate is still half full. No, I'm proud of myself, like finishing the
I
fish.
am proud of you, baby.
The sauce was really good. The Balinese
Yeah,
style.
the marinated.
The
one,
marinated.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot.
Are
No,
you-
and actually the salad that it goes with, like the tomatoes and the cucumbers and the lettuce,
Mm-hmm.
is very fresh. Is very healthy, and I love it.
Yeah.
This is usually how I like to eat. And it's like, it's a really good protein and everything. I enjoy the spiciness, but I just prefer just with that.
With this one, yeah.
I feel like only with that, I get the 100% of the Balinese has to be
The
there.
marination.
Also,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
marination.
that's true. That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I try half a bit with the spiciness and half a bit without it, and I just love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, 9.8.
Hey. Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
Baby. Okay. Yeah, so I mean, everyone, like you know, teman-teman, I'm not the biggest fan of whole fish, but I really have to say that this grilled fish with this Balinese style was really delicious, and it made me eat the full fish. I didn't think I would be able to eat the full fish. What I actually liked about it, that the spices were not too heavy. It was like the fish is light, right, and the spices were kind of light. And with this sauce together, like with the meat of the fish, and so it was a really perfect combination.
Yeah.
I didn't want to eat it with the spicy sambal though, it would have been too much.
Right.
I mixed the spicy sambal with the rice, gives a really good taste.
Yeah, I did.
But this sauce is perfect for the fish.
Yeah.
And yeah, like you see, it made me eat the whole fish. It was
Yeah.
really good.
Wow, I was surprised guys. Kalau kalian nonton video sebelumnya, yang waktu kita makan ikan lele, kalian bisa lihat aku bantu si Mas Bro
yeah.
habisin
Every
ikannya.
time.
Dan ikannya kan kalau lele sekenis, the sizes was like this, long, and he
And I eat like
put it,
this.
and he
Yeah.
just eats like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
that's why when I saw him finish this one, I was like, wow.
Whoa.
God.
Wow.
Yeah. So thank you, Bali, for this delicious meal, and thank you, of course, for cooking it. No, it was really good. Like I said, I'm not a fan of like fish typically, so but it was really good. I think I'm give it 8.5 points.
Oh, okay. Yay! Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and we love this. Me and Pato especially, because we are seafood person. But then kudos for Basti because he finished his. See you next time. And as always, if you want me to cook something for my friends to try, so just write down in the comments, and don't forget to share the video to your friends, to your family. Thank you, Bali, for the recipes. We love it.
Yes.
Awesome, delicious. And maybe we're gonna try another seafood, kind of, you know, like there's octopus, and then there's
Oh,
like
octopus.
And this I like
yeah.
because you know what? There's
Yes,
no
prawns.
bones in the octopus.
I know.
See you next time, guys. Bye
Thank you, teman-teman. Bye bye.